The global oil market stabilizes following its longest weekly decline in 5 years, signaling a potential shift in energy dynamics. In the bond market, the yield on the 10-year bond closes flat at 7.28% on Monday, reflecting a sense of stability in the fixed income landscape. The Indian rupee stands firm against the US dollar, closing flat at 83.39 on Monday, indicating a momentary equilibrium in foreign exchange dynamics. Market exuberance continues as the S&P BSE Sensex crosses the 70,000 milestone during early trade on Monday, propelled by positive sentiment in the financial landscape. In a tech-savvy move, the Delhi government announces plans to launch a WhatsApp-based bus ticketing system in the national capital, akin to the Delhi Metro. Ola Electric, backed by SoftBank, gears up to file its DRHP with SEBI this month, aiming to raise a whopping $700 million in its initial public offering. The company eyes a valuation in the range of $7.8 billion by early 2024. Jefferies expresses confidence in Coforge by increasing its target price and maintaining a buy rating, leading to a 2% surge in the stock. The government announces the issuance of a tranche of sovereign gold bonds this month, with another one slated for February, providing investors with alternative avenues in the precious metals market. In a recent development, Container Corporation of India Limited has officially declared its third interim dividend, marking a significant financial move for the company. The announcement will be made on the 24th of January, 2024. R Systems International Limited is in the spotlight as it contemplates the declaration of an interim dividend. The decision is set to be discussed on the 13th of December. Kanani Industries Limited has disclosed its plan to issue bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1. The record date for this action is yet to be finalized. Lloyds Engineering Works Limited has set a record date for its upcoming rights issue. The rights will be offered in the ratio of 1:17 at a price of 15.50 rupees per share. The issue period spans from the 26th of December, 2023, to the 10th of January, 2024, with the record date scheduled for the 14th of December, 2023. Fredon Pharmaceuticals Limited is actively considering a proposal to raise funds amounting to 120 crores. Verum Securities Limited has put forth a proposal to raise funds through a rights issue, with the target amount set at 30 crore. RO Jewels Limited is gearing up to consider and approve a rights issue on the 15th of December, 2023. SM Gold Limited has secured approval for fundraising through a rights issue, with a maximum limit capped at 30 crores. Darshan Orna Limited is poised to discuss a rights issue on the 15th of December, 2023, marking a crucial step in its financial strategy. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.